In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Google Sheet for productivity. We'll start from a blank sheet, build a clean table structure, add smart dropdowns and visual highlights, and finish with summaries that show exactly how you're doing day to day and week to week. First, open Google Sheets and create a new blank spreadsheet. Rename it to 2026 Productivity Tracker so it's easy to find later. Use any naming convention that fits your workflow. The point is to keep your tracker consistent and searchable. Next, set up your table. In row 1, add the headers across columns A through G: date, task, category, priority, status, deadline, and notes. Bold the entire first row so your headers stand out from the data you'll enter below. As you go, you can widen columns so longer task names or notes are easy to read, and use a date format for your date and deadline columns so sorting works smoothly. To keep your work organized, plan the categories you'll use in column C. Common examples include client work, content creation, admin, sales or prospecting, and personal. Having a clear, consistent list will make filtering and reviewing your week far easier and helps you see where your time actually goes. Now add dropdowns so data stays tidy. For priority in column D, select the whole column, go to data, then data validation, and create a dropdown with high, medium, and low. This removes guesswork and keeps your priorities standardized. Do the same for status in column E, adding not started, in progress, completed, and follow up. With this, every task can be tracked from start to finish in a consistent way. Let's make completed work pop visually. Select column E, open format, then conditional formatting. Add a rule that formats the cell if the text is completed and choose a green fill. From now on, finished tasks will stand out at a glance, which makes reviews faster and more satisfying. Below your table, create a simple daily summary. Add labels for total tasks, completed tasks, and completion rate. Then enter these formulas. For total tasks, countaf B2 B100. For completed tasks, countaf E2 E100 completed. For completion rate, countaf E2 E100 completed. Countaf B2 B100. Format the completion rate as a percentage so progress is immediately clear. Finally, create a new tab called Weekly Summary. Use it to track total tasks completed, revenue tasks done, and missed deadlines. This snapshot makes your weekly review quick, honest, and actionable. That's your streamlined productivity tracker in Google Sheets. Simple to maintain, powerful to review, and ready to grow with your workflow.